another DIY video with my friend Dez over here.
Hi.
And DJ T. Today we'll be making
Galaxy
slime with these 3 different colors:
Lilac,
turquoise,
and pink.
Today we each have 3 different bowls, and that's because we're going to separate the glue, and then we're going to dye them each a different color, and then at the end we're going to combine them all.
Next thing we're going to add is the dye. We're going to add the glitter.
So I have Iridescent Glitter.
I have Holo Stars.
And I have glitter glue.
Alright, so now we're going to add the liquid starch, and so this stuff is actually pretty strong, so a little can go a long way, so you just want to add in a little bit at a time and then keep stirring and just add in small amounts.